Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Glamma World. Hey, all my Glammas. So, I did this look using Juvia's Place foundation and the eyeshadow, the highlighter, the lipstick, and blush. I didn't have the concealer or the setting powder, but if you guys are interested in how I got this look, continue to watch the video. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to No Grandma Glamma. Hey, I'm my Glamma. So today I'm doing a Juvias tutorial featuring their new foundations. So I decided to use the 110, which is the darkest of the foundations I have for the contouring. And on my face today, I'm going with the 350. So since I am using their foundation, of course, I had to bring out actually all the Juvias that I have. This Nubian 3 Coral. Now, of course, I set my eyes already with the NYX base. And I went in with this gray color here. And I set my eyes. Let's get started now with this color in the corner. I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm using my Morphe. I believe it's the 411 brush. Let me make sure. Yeah, 411 brush. And I'm going to take that color on top of it and also add that to my crease. I'm using my Jeffree Star brush this time. So I'm going to go into this Zulu palette here. I'm going to take this brown color right here and start packing that onto my inner V. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star packing brush to do that. So I'm going to the, what is this? The Magic Minis. And I'm going to go into this color here. I'm not going to even try to pronounce this, LFE. I'm going to go up into that. I'm going to take my same Jeffree Star brush. And I'm going to go just a little bit into my crease here. Just for definition. This is like a navy dark blue. You want to be careful picking up dark colors. You want to go as light as you can, applying them on your eye until you build it up to how you want it. You see, I'm just building that color up slowly. I'm going to leave it just right here also. So I'm going to Dara. I believe that's the name of it. This is the mini set again. I'm going to put that on my lid. And I'm going to use this Morphe, the 167 brush by Morphe. So now I'm going to this Warrior palette here. And I'm going to take that Menu. I believe that's the word. That's the name of it. And I'm going to line my upper lash line with that. Taking this is my Stella brush. Yeah. And I'm taking that and I'm going to just line it. Like I am lining eyeliner. I'm going to take my Bad Girl from Benefit. And I'm going to coat the top and the bottom of my lashes. Okay, so basically I color correct off camera. Okay, so yeah, I have primed already. I had used my Marc Jacobs primer here on the coconut one. So no further ado, Samaya in 350. Hopefully that will look good on me. The Juvias Magic. And there's so many things it's saying. It's a full cover foundation. Blemishes and pores and all that supposed to disappear because this is magic. I want to touch on this. I know there's a lot of back and forth with the makeup influencer like Alyssa and Jackie and Juvia's Place. I think that sometimes people get it twisted that whatever their situation or miscommunication or whatever it is, and a black person don't want to support a black company for whatever reason. Just because we black don't mean we gotta support every black product if we don't believe in it. My own personal opinion and what I would have done in certain situations is try to have a verbal instead of a Twitter or tweet and all this. I would have a verbal or even an email conversation with the brand, letting them know, no, this is how I feel, and understand your feelings is your opinion. That don't mean that it's a fact because this is what you feel. That it could be a misunderstanding, and I would just try to clear the air because it is a black-owned company, and I'll do my best to work with them. I feel by me building this thing up that I'm building and becoming an influencer myself, that if there's some type of misunderstanding on whoever part, me being who I am and a bigger person and a little bit older, hey, this is what's going on. Could you tell me the deal? What's happening here? And I will wait for a response if I agree with it or not. But this is business. I'm an influencer. That is a brand. Let's work together. It's a black-owned brand. But understand that some people have their own bottom line or a line that you cannot cross, and won't work like that. And I'm not saying it's right or wrong. It's for that person. With me, I will try to use every resource or whatever to still work with a black-owned company. It has to be something just horrific that I will just be like, no, no, no. So that's just my opinion. I'm a little bit older, and I just feel that, sometimes to sit down and a cup of coffee or a glass of wine can fix a lot of things. A conversation and listening could fix a lot of things too. So definitely I'm going to support Juvias Place. I did reach out to them on Twitter, let them know that I did not have their concealer and their setting powder yet, but I was doing a tutorial. Like I said, I'm not a big influencer, but I am one. I'm on influencer.com. You guys can see my reviews too on certain products. But that's my opinion of it. I haven't been in the makeup game long, but my thing is this: whatever brand, black, Korean, white, whatever it is, I will definitely try to have a verbal understanding and just to figure out how can we move forward. If it was a mistake on my part or their part, fine. Now, how do we move forward? Not F you, I'm not never showing your brand on my tutorial, or F you, I've never sent you a PR package. I feel that's so unnecessary. I feel that's just unnecessary in the makeup world. It's unnecessary. That's just my opinion. Let's go ahead and do this magic. So I haven't decided I'm going to use a brush or a sponge. So again, like I said, this is the 350 Samaya, and I'm going to go ahead and just crack it on open. I got too much or too less, I don't know. This is how much I got. I'm going to go with probably one of my it brushes, and then I will probably follow up with the sponge. Okay, so I'm going to go with my Morphe brush. This is the 444 brush. Hey you guys, I was going to contour with the 110. It's really dark, so I decided to go with the Cabone 300. I'm going to go ahead and blend up that contour on my nose first. And this is Real Technique. This is the 309. Okay, and I'm going to take the Real Technique, the 308 brush, and go ahead and blend out that contour. Okay, I loved how that warmed up my face. So now I'm going to take my Tarte Creaseless Concealer. This is in medium neutral. So I'm going to take this brush, and this is the BB's, it's double-headed, and I'm going to blend out this concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to use my sponge. So now I'm going to set my face with the Too Faced, and this is the Born This Way. This is the translucent setting powder. I'm going to take my Real Technique brush. This is the Total Face, right? No, this is the Instant Pop face brush. I'm going to pop this big LA color pencil in just to open up my eyes some more. Jeffree Star powder brush, foundation brush, and dust up all this powder. So now I'm going to take my Real Technique, the blush brush, and go into this. So I'm going to the Sahara Blush Volume 2 palette. This is how it looks. I'm going to go into the two last shades. To these lips. Now, the only thing I have is this. And I'm going to put it on. I think it's kind of orangey, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on. My lips already have the natural line lip look. That is how my lips are. Okay, so now let's open up the Nefertiti highlighter. Guys, this is the finished look. I will come back with my makeup and everything, and stay tuned. What's Roger Rabbit wife's name? Well, whatever her name is. Move on over. So this is what I got from Julia's place. The lipstick is kind of bold to me because my eyes are bold, but that's the only lip product I did have, and it do dry down matte. My opinion on Juvia's place, especially if you like the full coverage, definitely get it. I like how they did their colors. I like the application of the foundation. And I definitely love her eyeshadows. You know, her eyeshadows is very pigmented. They're great. They don't have a lot of fallout, you know, which fallout don't bother me. But yeah, so this is the finished look, you guys. I like it. I'm not going to say I love it. I just think the lips is throwing me off. But yeah, this is the finished look. So if you guys like the video, hit that button, that like button. If you guys want to be notified when I upload videos, hit that little bell. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel. The jewelry came from actually my cousin, Accessory Me. I will be actually putting that in the description box also. So, until we see each other again, no Glamma, Glamma.